This is the new MacBook Pro with the new M1 processor. It has 8 gigabytes of memory and it has a 512 gigabyte SSD. So I guess we can get started unboxing this thing.
How's that? More satisfactory?
Huh?
How's that?
It sounded pretty good.
Drop.
Just like that guy who got the first iPhone 6 in the world. He dropped it. I don't know if it broke or anything, but I believe this is called Space Gray.
How heavy is it?
It's not that heavy at all.
It's pretty small.
It's small. I guess this is what 13 inches feels like. I don't know what this thing is though. It's probably just like a gap to like open the thing.
It has a fan, so
yeah.
That's where the heat comes out.
So you have, what is this? USB-C cable.
Oh, this one, they actually give a charger with this one.
Yeah, they actually give a charger with this one. It kind of reminds me of the old iPad charger brick.
Bigger iPad charger.
Yeah. And in here, is there stickers? I don't know if stickers.
They had to give an Apple sticker.
Hopefully.
Put it on the car.
Yeah, I think I see them. Oh yeah, look at that. I think they got in the same color.
Oh, silver
too.
one.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Never seen one of those. So since we got this one with a touchpad, it does give us stuff about the touch bar. That's basically it. So anyways, I guess we can get on with this. Now that we got everything unboxed, we can now take a look at the inside. There's a touchpad. Right there. But
VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID.
Accessibility. So, accessibility features adapt your Mac to your individual needs. You can turn them on now to help you finish setting up. I guess you can turn, well, maybe not VoiceOver. VoiceOver isn't a great idea. Hearing, maybe not closed captions. I don't like closed captions. Accessibility keyboard. Interesting. You know we gotta go into dark mode. I'm just gonna put that there and. So now we just gotta go into the Wi-Fi right now. Hopefully this connects to like, okay, it does connect to 5 gigabit connections because my laptop right now, not this, but my old HP laptop, it can only connect to 2.5 gigabit ones. I kind of like the keyboard. The keys are flat, but it has a good typing.
It's not the butterfly keyboard anymore.
Yeah, it's not a butterfly keyboard. Oh, that's a weird loading thing. So it's like a rainbow just going around like that. Alright, so now it's Apple ID stuff.
Go ahead, put it on. You know what it is, right?
We'll be back shortly. But anyways, we are back and we've got most of the stuff set up. We'll just set it up later. So we've played around with the Siri. The Siri button, I believe, is on the touchpad right here. Top right. So it's all the way next to the Touch ID thing right here. So maybe you give a little tap right here. Just be like, what is the weather right now? She sounds kind of boring. Should we try testing the audio for this? Maybe we should. So, let's go to Safari here. Since it is December, thought we could do some Christmas stuff. So, Christmas themed music. I like the speakers. It's pretty nice. Oh wow, would you look at that? Even on the touchpad here, it shows how long the video is. So the video right now, it is 10 hours. 10 hours long. We're not going to save you for 10 hours, because it's probably going to be the next day. But it's pretty cool. I don't know, does this support 4K?
The resolution is higher than 1080. I don't know what the resolution is. But it's really high. It's Retina, right?
Yeah.
Whatever that means.
Okay, so it's at 1440p, set to default. Let's see if I can send this.
That sounds about right. 1440 is probably.
Looks pretty good. Can handle the 4K, even though it may not display 4K. Do you think YouTube will still copyright me if I put it on unlisted?
Oh. You can edit out the sound anyway, right?
Huh?
You can change the sound to something else.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, it's fine. I'll just keep it in. I won't get any money for it, so it's fine. We didn't just get the MacBook. No, we got some accessories. What we have here is a screen protector. This is a cover for the 13-inch MacBook. Let's see. We might need a knife then.
Yeah, it's like, are you doing durability testing on it?
We're not jerry-rig everything, okay? We're okay. We don't need it.
Like who he like puts the knife on the phone, like the screen. It's like who uses a...
Yeah, I mean, even like the...
He uses like a stylus or something. It's
yeah,
like,
the sound that you hear, it's like...
Down to the bottom we get our 2 large speaker grills.
It sounds so disgusting.
it's like if you're using the knife with the phone, you're using it wrong.
Yeah. Would you look at that? Oh, there's keyboard protector.
And slap that bad boy on the laptop.
Alright, that can be the easiest install. It feels very like satin. It's satin black. It feels like that.
It's like the leaked MacBook design. It's like all black. Did you see that?
Did I? I don't think so. But
it's all black.
Yeah. So I don't know. I've probably got a lot of fingerprints on it right now. But we can put that aside. This I don't think has a yeah. Okay, so we're good. And then just slap that on. There we go. Push it out of the way. Just get this thing on.
A few minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Something's not happening right here. Let's see. What am I missing? Oh, there are hooks here. There are hooks right there. They are, okay, so...
Links for all this stuff are in the bio.
Huh?
Links for all this stuff are in the down below.
That depends if we can find it. Did we get all this on like Amazon or something?
Yeah, I think so.
It's probably relatively cheap.
Yeah, we'll give our referral links.
Yeah, links down below if you want to buy stuff, and maybe link down to the 13-inch MacBook if you ever want to buy a MacBook. I'm not the person who you'd want to watch on a review, but I mean, I'll make it funny. Oh no. See, that's the problem. I put it backwards, so basically this is where it's supposed to be made, and I made the mistake of going it that way. You know, there's one video where Austin Evans, he got sponsored by I don't know, some monitor group, and what happened was, it was Mystery Tech, that's what it was. And what he did, he took he was trying to like pull the monitor out, and the monitor fell. So he was like, oh, it's fine, it didn't get cracked or anything. Well, next thing you know, when he booted it up, it's all cracked.
Thanks, Matt! Oh. And you still dropped it. You know, when Gigabyte said, hey, we'll send you our super cool new monitor, I don't think this is what they had in mind. Oh!
If I'd ever be able to do this.
No.
Again, all this links for all these accessories and the MacBook will be down below.
Maybe. Here we go.
All good.
Did I get it all? I think I got it all. So next, we have the screen protector, right? Screen protectors. I'm not good with screen, therefore we'll put that on later, not during the video.
How fast does it turn on? You want to do that beauty shot?
How fast does it turn on? I've heard that the new Google Chromebook or something, it's done like 7 seconds. What the? It was already on.
Yeah, it's instant. Just like the iPhone.
Wait. I need to see this again. Oh! Like, okay, so, I don't know, that was at least, I don't know, so, open it quick. Yeah, that's pretty quick. That would like, annihilate the Chromebook with its 7-second thing. But, I mean, this is supersonic. I never really messed around with all the other stuff. I'm sure, judging by all its looks and all its stuff that's inside here with the M1 factor, this is the new latest, the latest thing that came after came before the iPhone 12. Was this before the iPhone 12?
It was after. The iPhone 12 was announced in October. This is announced in November, right? Maybe the iPhone event was in September. I don't know.
I don't know. All I know, this is the newest MacBook that is right now. So yes, that will be it.